Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Sudarshan. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we talk about watches, coffee, and lifestyle products in general. So, today we are unboxing a watch by India based fashion brand. This brand is established in 2021. It's called Antriac. This brand is actually based out of Pune, Maharashtra, and they make watches and wallets primarily. I always wanted to explore more Indian brands, be it a fashion brand or any other. So I reached out to these people a year back or maybe more for the collaboration purpose, which didn't really work out that time. So finally, I decided to give this brand a try on my own and share the experience with you all. So as you can see, the watch came inside this particular box, and as the name says, Emperor 2.0 Luxury White. That's the model which we are going to unbox today. So let's open it quickly. Okay, so this is very nicely wrapped. Let's keep the box aside. Okay, so this is the main box inside which the watch is kept. Let's open this and see what all things come inside the box other than the watch. First of all, this is a cardboard box. So let's open. Okay, so the first thing we see is the warranty card, which says welcome to the Antriac Luxury Club. It has a serial number. Claim your loyalty points. Okay, let's keep this aside as well. Okay, so this is the watch. Alright, it's nicely wrapped. Let's keep these things aside. Alright, so this is how our watch looks. This cushion is quite good to support the watch. So let's keep this thing aside as well. Okay, so this has all the plastic wrapping around it. I'll just quickly unwrap and get back. Okay, so this is how the watch looks. I have removed all the packaging, the plastic wrappings on this. Let's see. Let's take a close look. Okay, this looks good. The bracelet, though, personally, I don't really like this sound. It sounds very weird, so I might change the strap. But straight out of the box, this looks very good. The bracelet has a weight to it, so it's surely of a good quality. Although this sound which it makes, I don't personally like it. Alright, so let's quickly jump to the specifications of the watch. This is a silver colored 42mm case with stainless steel which is polished. As you can see, it looks very good. It has a textured dial which is actually giving it a very classic look. It has Roman numerals, as you can see, at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The branding is also very thoughtfully placed. There are minute markings as well. I will try to give a glimpse of that like this. This fluted bezel is actually giving it a vibe of a Rolex Datejust. It really looks very classy. The lug width on this is 22 millimeters, so any strap with 22 millimeters will fit. As I said earlier, this is a stainless steel bracelet of quite a decent quality, but the only drawback or the flaw which I personally don't like is the sound. Nothing else. Rest the bracelet looks good. This watch has a water resistance of 30 meters as mentioned on their website, and the Emperor 2.0 comes with Miyota precision quartz, so that's a trusted quartz again. I will quickly show how it looks on the wrist. Oh, there, of course, I forgot there is a branding on the buckle as well. This looks decent. Okay, so this is how it fits on my wrist. Looks very classic. Alright then, this is all for the unboxing and first impressions of this watch. I will experience this watch by wearing it more now, and later on I can share my thoughts or kind of a review on this. Of course, the first impressions are very good. I'm not having any bad feeling about this watch at all. Alright, so this is all about this Emperor 2.0 Luxury White. If you like the video, do hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more such videos on watches, coffee and lifestyle products in general. And I will see you in the next one. Time out.